Welcome to the BD17 Accelerate Series training video. This video is intended to help you, our distributor sales force, demonstrate and sell the BD17 compact automatic scrubber to your customers. Before you go on your demonstration, you should be sure to first remove the recovery tank and ensure the batteries are connected and the battery connector cable is fully inserted. Second, make sure the solution control valve is not closed and the water is flowing. The control valve, located directly above the brush deck on the front of the unit, should ship in the factory preset position. However, if the valve is turned to the left or vertical, no water will flow to the brush. Push the lever to the right to set the amount of desired water flow. Third, ensure that the unit's battery is fully charged. The night before the product demonstration, plug the BD17 charging cable into the wall and onboard charger. Before you leave, unplug the charging cable from the wall and onboard charger. Finally, let's review how to operate the BD17 compact scrubber. Operating the BD17 is an easy process. Before you leave for your product demonstration, ensure that the solution tank and recovery tank are empty for easier transportation of the unit. Once you arrive at your demonstration, fill the solution tank with the proper mix of chemical and water. Turn on the power, brush, vacuum, and water controls. Lower your squeegee blade. Finally, press forward on the brush activation lever and begin cleaning. When the brush activation lever is pushed in the forward position, the brush and solution will begin to activate. After you've finished your product demonstration, be sure to empty the recovery tank by first draining the majority of the dirty water with the drain hose and then removing the tank to dump the remaining water. You'll also want to empty out any excess solution by removing the drain cap. An integrated parabolic squeegee is mounted just 1 inch behind the brush and will rotate 180 degrees in either direction. This means that the solution is contained within the cleaning path and instantly recovered with the 180-degree rotation. This feature also allows recovery even when the unit is pulled backwards to clean underneath hard-to-reach areas such as counters, desks, and more. To operate the unit, simply press the power, brush, vacuum, and solution buttons. Then press the activation lever forward and you can begin cleaning. The simple operation of the BD17 will save your customers time and money when training their staff. State-of-the-art technology allows the BD17 to operate at less than 70 decibel levels. This low decibel level meets LEED standards and allows the unit to be operated in noise-sensitive environments, as well as to be used for day cleaning operations. The compact design of the BD17 allows the operator to clean small, hard-to-reach areas, replacing where a traditional mop and bucket may have been used in the past. The handle can be adjusted to fit the height of nearly any operator. Not only does this make cleaning comfortable regardless of the size of the operator, it allows the BD17 to be stored in an upright position by simply collapsing the handle. This allows the unit to be placed or stored in a janitor's closet or other small storage area. The recovery tank has a convenient drain hose, which allows the operator to quickly drain the majority of the dirty water into a floor drain or other approved area. A charger is built into the unit, allowing it to be charged quickly and easily after each operation. Some of the key target markets this unit is perfect for include healthcare environments, schools, universities, retail or hotel settings, and for building service contractors. Thank you for taking the time to watch this Accelerate Series training video on the BD17 compact automatic scrubber. For more detailed information on this product, you can access a full Accelerate Series training guide on the dealer page of www.tornadovac.com.